What's up, guys? So today I want to do a video about kind of repairing my kiln. I dig this out a little bit too and kind of get like this vent over here, but also this bottom vent kind of pulling air through. So dig this out. I'm going to repair the kiln. This is about a year's worth of wear and tear to my kiln. And remember, I just put mud in it, so this is easily able to be remodeled. But I'm gonna put some more mud back in it and kind of seal up all these cracks again. I might replace bricks down there if there's any cracked. And then I'm extending this bed out.